Hey guys, welcome to question FM 311 of the Further Maths Fortify Study Guide. This question reads, consider the following scalene triangle with side lengths 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters and an interior angle of 39 degrees as shown below. And then we're given a diagram that looks a little like that. The perimeter P in centimeters can be found using the formula, and then we're given 5 different options down there. So in order to calculate this perimeter P, we're going to need to add this side length here of 8, the other side length of 6, and then we're going to have this other unknown side length down here that we've got to figure out. So we'll label that as X for now. Now, what you will understand here about this triangle is that we have 2 side lengths and an included angle, which suggests to us that in order to solve for x, we're going to be using the cosine rule. So the cosine rule looks like this. So since we're finding a side length, we'll be using the side length rule, and the rule that you're usually given looks like this. It says a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos of a. So we do a slight rearrangement. This formula, I don't like it so much. I think that there's a better one. So if we were to square root both sides, we end up with a more helpful formula for what we'll be doing, which is the square root of b squared plus c squared minus 2bc times cos a is going to land us straight at an answer for a side length rather than finding the side length squared and then having to resolve that. So this formula is a good one to have in your notes. So now we substitute our known values. So our unknown side length that we're solving for is going to be x. So x is going to equal, and then if we have a look here, we could call 8b and 6c. So we end up with 8 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 8 times 6 times cosine. Now that capital A actually is talking about the angle that is opposite side lowercase a. So that capital A is going to be, sorry, that should be a times there, cos of 39 degrees. So substituting this back into our equation up here, we could get that the perimeter is equal to 8 plus 6 plus 8 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 8 times 6 times cos of 39. Having a look at the 5 options you have before you, the equation that is equivalent to this one is going to be option B. And that is your correct answer. So if you guys have any questions about that at all, please let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.